So the house was built in 1908, which makes it 110 years old. Now with these old houses, you've got to be extra careful. You have to check the council requirements, make sure you're doing everything properly. So that's where we come in, we specialise and we look at how we're going to sort everything out in the way of the renovation. Alright, we've got a land size of 558 square metres. Now the front of the house was 121 square metres. The addition we're putting on this house is 92 squares of living and an extra 28 of alfresco. So their vision was basically to have more living space. Now what we're doing, we're going to come along, we're going to give them a powder room, ensuite. So at the moment they're using the outhouse and knocking down walls, 3.5 metre ceilings, giving them the vision that they always dreamed of. As you can see, the project is in the early stages of construction. I can't wait to bring you guys on the journey with us and show you the progress.